My name is Rinki Sharma and I am a YouTuber. And nowadays I am taking classes, means I'm teaching some students grammar portion and how can you conduct with the people and each and everything, whatever I was being taught and the things I'm just sharing with them. It's nowadays work
Okay.
and I'm born and brought up in West Bengal and I got married in Jharkhand and I have
Mm,
two kids also. That's it, sir.
that's good to know. So, are you living in Jharkhand or are you still in West Bengal?
No, no, I'm living in Jharkhand right now. I'm in Jharkhand.
Hmm. And as you talked about, you teach something. Is it English you teach?
Yeah, yeah. Basically, only English spoken class I'm running. I'm running.
Okay.
There are few
That's
students, not more. Yeah, there are few students. I
hmm,
haven't collected just because of lack of time, because being
hmm,
a homemaker and being a mother, it's so difficult for me. So that's why I have chosen this way that I could do this kind of things, as I
hmm.
can't do anything to go outside and have a job. So that's why I decided to do this.
Okay. And I'm really happy to know this. We both have something in common. You do teach, I also teach English, and yes, let's. Okay, so I want to know, according to you, English very interesting for our students.
So, sir, at first, at my if I talk about my opinion about this language, I
Hmm.
would like to suggest people they should not take this very seriously, because they think that this is a very necessary, and if are not going to speak very correct in front of the people, they are just going to judge us. So they have to remove this at first and be confident about that. It's very important, and let them judge about yourself. It doesn't matter for you, and it should not be matter for you, because people are born to do this kind of things. They are just going to prevent you, they are just going to stop you. Whatever you're just going to do something new, they would definitely stop you. It's their work, let them do their work, and you just carry on with yourself and do whatever you just want to do. It was my thinking and I did like the same way.
What were other things you executed to improve English?
Other thing was that I was kept on watching those kind of content which was delivered on only in English. I
Hmm.
didn't see any Hindi videos, and I didn't waste my time to seeing those kind of things. So I used to do this kind of thing while I had a lot of work. At the same time, I had to do a lot of work, though I
Hmm.
was wearing my earphone. I strongly remember those days, and I kept on watching day by day, day by day. So more
Hmm.
you watch, more you listen the words, you can speak about that. Then I started, and whatever I have I had listened all those things, like it was like motivational speakers, Sadhguru, okay, and my favorite, God, Gopal Das. So I used to see those kind of videos, and I started like speaking like that. Whenever he speaks, I speak back, you know, the same thing. And it was time taken, it was very much time taken thing, but I did this kind of things. I wanted to copy them, and I wanted to be replica of those kind of person. So
Hmm.
this was the craziness made me like that, and I
Hmm.
developed this, yeah, this language like that.
Hmm. It is a bit unconventional to know that you wanted to be the replica of these people. But I need to understand this. Why you wanted to speak like these people? What did you like in that guru that you did talk about? What did you like in that guru? His
Yeah,
pronunciation, his
yeah,
style of speaking.
pronunciation is much better than, I think the natives are. I don't want to be like natives, but
Hmm.
I want to be my Indian, person. Like they are just speaking English. I just want to catch those accents. It's very good. More than that, I just want to carry those kind of things, because I feel very, and it's music to my ear. Whenever I see and whenever I watch, listen, I feel like it's music to my ear. So I wanted to grab that.
Okay. So how long did you watch his video?
It's not a perfect time that whenever I do, and still I'm doing this kind of things. I just wear my earphone, and since morning to evening I just only listen English, nothing else. It was like Karan Johar's videos and Deepika's, Priyanka Chopra, everyone who speaks in English, only those kind of videos I watch. And at night, I just do my practice for 1 hour. I just do, just I take a topic. Okay, now today I have to speak on this topic, and I started keep talking on that with myself. There is no
Mm.
anyone, though I have to speak about that. So I do this kind of things, and
Okay.
it's very beneficial. I think so.
Okay. If I give you a topic, would it be okay with you to explain?
Yeah, if I'm familiar with this topic and I know that I have knowledge, definitely I would speak about that.
Hmm. You do need to talk about for at least 2 minutes. The topic is lipstick.
Lipstick. Oh, OMG, it's my favorite topic. I'm very fond of having this kind of collection. So I'm going to speak about that. Okay. So lipstick is a very, very important part of every female. We can say that. Because without lipstick, we can't imagine even our life. Even I'm talking about myself. Because it makes me very happy and enhance my persona also. I feel like that. It's my perception. And whenever I apply this, I feel I should apply something new. Whenever I just apply those kind of things, and I feel I should have something new more than that, then that time I just want to purchase that. And after having this, I just take a lot of selfies. It's my hobbies, you can say. And so these kind of things generally I do. And yeah, in the market, if you just go to the market and if you just ask for the lipstick color, they would show you a lot of, there are just millions of colors, we can say like that. So it's very difficult to choose because each and every color is more than beautiful. One by one, if I see, every colors makes me very happy. Then I think I should buy each and everything, but it's not possible. Though I have to choose, and choosing one color, it's very difficult. So I can say I'm very particular about my lipstick. I just actually like apply lipstick.
Wonderful. Rightly explained. Okay. So, as you focused on color,
Yeah,
please tell me what is your favorite color?
my favorite colors, what I am applying right now, it's my favorite, and too much darker than this, I just
Mm-hmm.
apply.
Mm.
So these are the color, and particularly I can say the nude color also. You
Mm-hmm.
must have heard of that. People are just, girls are just crazy about this. So these are
Okay.
the colors.
I want to know your favorite color in general. Whenever you go for clothing, whenever you go for shoes, and also, what's your favorite color that one of time?
Okay, whenever I just want to purchase according to my dresses sense, I just want to have purple color. It's my favorite color. And for shoes, I'm not so much choosy, but yes,
Mm.
for the outfit, I have to go like a choosy person. So
Mm.
I just choose these kind of things which suits on me. I should not be, feel like that I'm very comfortable about that and it's too loose. I don't want to be like that. It should be suitable on my body. According
Mm.
to this, I just choose my clothes.
Okay, and when you have explained it in a superlative way, I want to know that what kind of area you come from, or do you get support when you go for speaking? When you speak English, do you get support, or that you are demotivated by your friends or your neighbors?
Yeah, it was earlier. I had a lot of this kind of negatives comment. It was when I was in childhood. It was my passion. When I was in 10th class, I used to speak like that. Then people would started making fun of me, like you are not speaking well. Then I decided now I have to carry this language no matter what. Then I started making lot of translation, and literally I had I have remember strongly remember one thing, that I meet thousands of translation. Then I started speaking those little bit. So
Mm.
that time I was not aware of the grammar and all that, but yeah, that time I used to speak. It was broken English, but I
Mm.
used to speak. So it's carried and it carries me a lot, like now you have to improve, it's not enough for you. Then I thought, no, I have to polish.
Mm. Okay. So I think you vividly took an audacious decision. Okay, the next thing I want to know, what are the five easiest ways for learning English according to you?
5 easiest way. First one is you have to listen, and it's repetitive words and statement. Everybody speak like that about that, but they doesn't mean about that. They don't mean about that. They think like it's only for the talk, but not. We have to grab this. Listening is very important thing. So
Mm,
I think listening is very important, and whenever I see any kind of new words, fancy word, I just write down, and I just try to find those exact meaning. What would be the exact meaning? Because I got stuck that time. Now I have to find this. Then I find this, and it's my hobby. So people should do this kind of thing if they really want to enhance their vocabulary and all that. And second thing, you should not be demotivated by anyone, because it's your job. You have to be the perfect
mm,
speaker, and you have to carry this language no matter in what way. But you have to carry. You have to think about that. People makes fun of you that it's not good that you are just speaking, it's too correct incorrect, you should enhance. Let them speak. I don't care about the people. If I yeah, if I had already cared about the people, I wouldn't have been like this kind of person. So
mm,
I think I should be like very confident. Yes, after means if you are just going to speak this language, it 100% surety that you are not going to speak very correctly. But yes, you will be very confident about it. Today I have spoken at least. So you
mm,
have to be like that. And third thing, I just want to say, you should every time you should think about the English. If you're just seeing
mm,
the things around you, at least you have to talk about that with your mind. Like if I just want to see everything, there's some few stuff around me, and I have to talk with like that. What would be the wall thinking about me? Okay,
mm,
so I just try to do this here. Fan, if fan can speak, how which kind of topic fan can speak with me? What
mm,
fan can speak with me? So I think like that. And fourth one, I just want to say, uh, means whenever you see any kind of person,
mm,
don't compare with those kind of person that he is speaking well, why not? Why I am lacking, why I am just stuck in there. You should never think about that. They had, if somebody is speaking well, they must have done something very good thing for that. Okay, it's not that it comes out in within one day. It's
mm,
take a lot of time. They should think about that. But they feel that if somebody is talking and I'm not good in it, and how people are just talking like that, I want to be like that. That time they started demotivated. They feel that I don't have any level. So I
mm,
feel that people should not think about that. They have their, everybody has their own capability,
mm,
capacity, you can say. So I feel like that. And fifth one, just take it very lightly and make it fun. Like just
mm,
play with the
mm,
English. It's a language. Why we are just very crazy about that? We don't have this fluency, and we don't have the vocabs, the fancy words. Just play with the English. I feel
mm.
like that. So every time I just take 5 things in my mind, and I just do my practice.
Okay. All right. Well done. So, is there anything you feel you completely lack when it comes to spoken English?
Yeah, I need to polish right now because I want to be those kind of a speaker who doesn't make any kind of single mistake.
Mm,
If I want to be like that, that time I feel like I can feel that I'm completed right now. But
mm,
and the second thing, I think like if just when we are just going to satisfied with ourselves, then definitely I'm not going to do a lot of hard work. So these things makes me, no, you have to go more, you have to take some more steps. It's not your journey had finished here. Your journey, you have to carry this. You didn't find right now the your destiny and all that. So I think you every time you should carry on. You have to
mm.
keep polishing your language. I feel like that.
Okay. So,
Just
yes.
keep satisfied with your language, I feel.
Mm, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it's so true. And what I have understood by your conversation or the way you have explained things, you take English for granted. And when you take it for granted, and you will be able to speak smoothly, effortlessly. Okay, so I want to know what kind of person you are.
Means I'm very jolly and I never be very serious about any kind of things. I think that if I am going to do this kind of things, I will learn two things. One, if I'm going to be failed person, so I will learn from this mistake.
Mm,
Otherwise, I will enjoy this journey.
mm,
And if I succeeded, then I will be happy. Two things
mm.
will be happen with me if I just do any kind of work. So I feel this kind of things. I
Okay.
can learn something new if I do any mistake.
So how long did you take to learn this language, or when you realized, how much time did you spend when you realized, okay, now I'm able to speak English fluently, or I can speak English publicly and confidently?
Yeah, it was when I was taking the classes. Then I realized now I can speak because I was being learned there, and I was being taught a lot of grammars, and I started grabbing those, and I started applying those. So I thought that time now I can polish my language, and I got all the grammar that we need to speak about that. Then I got satisfied. Now I'm completely done. I have to start right now. Then I started my YouTube channel, and it was first video was I'm going to speak about my first video. That time I used to be very conscious about my video, and I was speaking too slowly, and I don't want to be. I didn't want to be like I should make any mistake there. So I
Hmm.
was very conscious about that. So
Hmm.
that time I started my journey. Then little by one by and speaking in one video, then I got a lot of comments that you are doing well. Then I got confident from there. Okay, that means I'm doing well. Now I have to polish day by day, and it will be very good for me.
Hmm. Okay, so you have explained everything and you have answered in a very nice way. Okay, so thank you very much for joining in, and I really enjoyed the session. I don't know about you, whether you enjoyed or you thrilled. It's up to you. How was the session?
It was fantastic, sir. I wanted to talk to you because I had seen a lot of videos of yours, and you had been talking a lot of people there for a long time. Then I decided, no, I have to take a session with you. Then I decided and I sent you message. And it's my dream to talk to you. It was my dream, and today it's completed. But I just want to carry on this again and again, and thoroughly I just enjoyed this. It was fantastic session. Thank you, thanks a
Okay,
lot.
thank you so much. Take care. Bye.